Now again, rubber. Rubber is also a plantation crop. Rubber is also a plantation crop. In our country, or like the cultivation of other country in world, rubber is a tropical and subtropical plant which requires above 25 degrees Celsius temperature and rainfall should be above 200 centimeters. Main producer of rubber in our country are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar. These are producing a state in our country of rubber. Next, fibrous crop. As a fibrous crop, cotton, the main cotton crops, main fibrous crop as a cotton. India has a glorious past in the cultivation of cotton. India has second rank after China in the cultivation of cotton. These crops also need above 25 degrees Celsius temperature, but rainfall should be not above 50 to 75 degrees Celsius centimeter. More than 200 days should be frost free. In our country, large amount of cotton are grown every year. In our country, cotton is grown mainly in black cotton soil area. The main producing states in our country of cotton are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu also. These are major producer of cotton. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and in some amount criteria in Punjab also cotton. Next, jute. Our country has first rank, second rank in jute cultivation and first rank in the manufacturing of jute items. भारत का जूट के कच्चा जूट के उत्पादन में सेकंड रैंक प्राप्त है आफ्टर बांग्लादेश, बट इन जूट गुड्स के निर्माण में पहला रैंक प्राप्त है. इन आवर कंट्री main jute producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Assam. Like other crops, jute requires also some geographical conditions like temperature should be above 25 degrees Celsius Rainfall should be above 100 degrees Celsius centimeter, because the plants of jute is processed अंडर वाटर। जूट की जो प्रोसेसिंग पानी में की जाती है, इसीलिए द कल्टीवेशन ऑफ जूट रिक्वायर्स प्लेंटी अमाउंट ऑफ रेन। नेक्स्ट, our country just after independence was not self-sufficient in the production of food crops. India had to import large amount of food items of food crop, food grains every year. So that time Indian government felt all that time Indian government felt technological and institutional reforms. So after independence, our Indian government performed or done different type of technological and institutional reforms. Our Indian government has stressed on the application of machines in agriculture. Indian government has stressed on the application of machines in agriculture. And next, for the improvement in Indian agriculture, between 1960 to 1970, Indian government promoted green revolution, through which Indian government focused on the use of package technology. Focused on the use of package technology. Under package technology, farmers were being inspired to use mechanical devices or machines to apply chemical fertilizer, pesticides, insecticide for growing more much food grains. And Indian government has stressed or took proper care for increasing the production of milk through variety revolution. Next, Indian government focused on comprehensive land development program in 1980-1990. Indian government focused on comprehensive land development program against flood, drought, cyclone, etc.